The servant. It is last but one story. The name of the story is, it is S.T. It is The Servant. And The Servant, it is written by S.T. Semenov. S.T. Semenov. S.T. Semenov, he was actually the disciple of a famous Russian writer. Then is, regarding to this very servant, it is about a servant. The name of the servant is actually, that is called Gerasim. And in this very short story, there are how many characters? There are 4 characters. There are 4 characters. Number first one is the Gerasim. Number second one is Yegor Danlik. Then is Mr. Sharovo and Polikarpych. Polikarpych actually, they are old couple. And from the last of 15 years, this Polikarpych along with his wife, from the last 15 years, last 15 years, they are working. Where they are working? They are working in the house of Mr. Sharovo. Simply that Mr. Sharovo, he performs the role of a master. ये master है इस story का, and the name of the story is The Servant. Regarding to what actually is the theme of the story? Theme of the story is whether the person is a master, it's a teacher, it's a student, it's a servant, it's a slave, it's an officer, it's an ordinary soldier. Everyone has his own self. Everyone has his own self. Or everyone has his own dignity. Everyone has his own dignity and everyone has his own self. And always while talking, while behaving, while just speaking with anyone, हमें इन चीज़ों का हर हमेशा we have to put these very things in mind. यानी कि we have to give respect to everyone, whether it's a soldier, it's a student, it's a slave or it's a servant, because everyone deserves to live a dignified life. And this is the theme of this very story. Now, next one is regarding to Gerasim. Gerasim is the main and central character of the story. Gerasim, he performs the role of a servant. Next one is Yegor Danlik. Yegor Danlik is also a servant, and he is a friend of Gerasim. Next one is Mr. Sharovo performs the role of a master, and Polikarpych along with his wife, together from the last 15 years, they are serving in the house of Mr. Sharovo. You got the point? The next one is regarding to this very thing, regarding to whether it's a, I am talking about the Gerasim. Now, it is now the plot construction. Plot construction of what? It is now what? It is now the plot construction. Plot construction of, it is plot construction. Whose plot construction? Plot construction of the story, and the name of the story is what? The name of the story is what? Servant. Gerasim, he was from Russia. And he was living in the countryside. Countryside means he was living in the village area. He was from countryside. Who was from countryside? Gerasim was from the countryside, and he was living there. As for the life in a village and as for the life in a countryside, it is passive. It is not so much smart, it is not so much active. The life in the village area or in a countryside, it is passive. Most of the people sit idle, they have nothing to do, as compared to the people who are living their lives in the cities or in the towns. The life in city or towns, it is fast, it is active. And यहाँ पे regarding to the village life in Russia, it is passive. And ये वहाँ पर रहता, finally इसने decide किया, I will move to where? I will move towards the Russia. Mगर Russia कहाँ पर? Move towards the state. move towards the stage. And finally, he along with, what's the name of his friend? What's the name of his friend? The name of his friend is, that is Yogor Danlick is the name of his friend. And ये क्या आया? ये आया वहां पे, वापस आया कहां पे? Where? Then is Yogor Danlick. ये आया वहां से वापस. And finally he lived along with his friend. The name of the friend is what? What's the name of his friend? Yogor Danlick. And उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी गुजारी स्टे में. And this Yogor Danlick, he works in one house. His master was Mr. Sharrow. Mr. Sharrow. And the name of this very Gerasim's master, it has not been mentioned in the story. Means he too was working in one of the household. And after some time, living number of the years there, and this very Gerasim, he has been called. He has been called by his parents. Called by his parents. क्योंकि उसने क्या किया था? उसने fill up किया था, form किया था, and now he has to what? He has to face an interview in order to join, in order to be selected in the armored force. लेकिन जब ये वापस आया, who came back? When Gerasim came back and when he faced the interview, he didn't get that, यानी कि he was not qualified. अब ये क्या था? He was very much dejected and disappointed. Who was dejected and disappointed? Gerasim. अब ये he was staying idle. Who was staying idle? Gerasim was staying idle because now he is in where? He is in countryside or in village area. And he was so much fed up with his life because the life which he was living in the city where he was working in a household, जहाँ पर एक घर में काम कर रहा था, he was living a comfortable life. He was living a peaceful life as well as a tranquil life. लेकिन जब ये वहाँ से वापस आया, now it was big burden. Life becomes a burden for him. ये कह रहा था, ये सोच रहा था कि I will count the pebbles, I will count the stones instead than to sit idle in the village. ये कह रहा मैं ये गिन लूंगा, पत्थर भी गिन लूंगा, कहाँ पे? स्टे में, लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं नहीं बैठूंगा. Finally he went back to where? To the state, to one of the town of Russia. ये जब वहाँ से वापस गया, but he hasn't any place where he can find the work. He was unable to find the work. इस बिचारे को क्या काम नहीं मिला, and he hasn't any penny in order to buy the stuff to feed his belly. इस बिचारे के पास कोई पैसा ही नहीं था so that वो अपने आप को क्या कर सके, क्या feed कर सकते. And अब ये क्या करता था? lot of people from this very area, वो कहाँ पे? They were working there. यानी कि Gerasim जिस एरिया से था उस एरिया के बहुत से people, lot of the people, they are working in the state. चूंकि this very because it was the time was not in favor of वक्त and time इसके खिलाफ था. किसके खिलाफ? Gerasim. He hasn't the any penny. अब क्या करता है? He spent one night in one distant relative and another night in another. अब ये क्या करता है? इसी दौरान ये किसके पास गया? That is called Yogor. Who was Yogor? It is Yogor. Yogor Danlick, ये उसका फ्रेंड था, ये उसके पास गया. Do anything in order to what? In order to get a job. ये योगर को कह रहा कुछ भी कर लो, लेकिन I need the job. I desperately need the job because I no more want to go back to the village life. I want to stay here. I want to earn here. But it is you who can assist me, who can help me. आपकी वजह से मुझे नौकरी मिलेगी and do anything in order to get the job. अब योगर उसे योगर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योगर इसे क्या कर रहा है? इन एन आयरॉनिकल मैनर कह रहा है. इन an ironical manner. As far this irony is concerned, IRONY, as far irony is concerned, it's a poetic device. It's a poetic device you will call it. You will call it also the literary device. It has two meanings. Number first one is say something or mean something. मैं कुछ कहूँ लेकिन उसकी जो meaning होगी that is totally different. Number second, what you are expecting that went against of it. For example, one of the student came to it. कोई student मेरे पास आया, हाँ मंजू सर, what sir will give me a gift because I have done a great job. मनुष्य मुझे गिफ्ट देगा. ये एक्सपेक्ट क्या कर रहा है? What he is expecting? ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है सर इज गोइंग टू पैट मी, सर इज गोइंग टू एनकरेज मी. लेकिन जब ये मेरे पास आया मैंने थप्पड़ उठाई और मैंने चला दी. अब इसका क्या हुआ? इसका उल्टा हुआ. ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है सर इज गोइंग टू एनकरेज मी, लेकिन इसका क्या हुआ? अपोजिट हुआ. दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द irony. Irony means what you are expecting and it went also against of it. That is also called the irony. And यहाँ पर ironical manner, ironical statement है, say something and means something. ये अब क्या कह रहा है? What? योगर उसे कह रहा, अगर आपने अच्छी तरह से, if there are lot of the servants who are not sincerely, truly or sincerely, they are not working what? They are not working under the direction, under the instructions of the master. कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो अच्छी तरह से अपने मालिक की खिदमत नहीं करते हैं. When they went back to the master, मास्टर उन्हें क्या? मास्टर इज नॉट अगेन टेकिंग देम बैक. दोबारा मास्टर उनको, हाँ ये उसे ये भी कह रहा है कि अगर आपने अच्छी, इफ यू माइट हैव, इफ यू हैड सर्व्ड बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे, truly, honestly, sincerely, if you have served your master, then definitely उसने आपको वापस लिया होता. लेकिन इट मीन्स आपने अपने मास्टर की अच्छी तरह से खिदमत नहीं की. दैट्स वाई ही डिनाइड, ही डिडंट टेक यू बैक. उसने आपको वापस नहीं लिया. फिर जरासिम उसे कह रहा है नहीं, what was within my limits, what was within my range, what was within my box, I did every possible measure to assure or to work according to my master. लेकिन वो जो वैकेंसी already थी, that has been filled because I left work, I left for the village in order to face an interview. अब योगर डायलिसिस कह रहा है don't worry, I am going to provide you the job. अब क्या? अब जॉब है. I am moving back. Back is, it is here. Polycarpus, who is Polycarpus? Old couple. Polycarpus is the name of a husband and the name of the wife has not been mentioned. These very Polycarpus along with his wife, they were serving Mr. Sharavo from the last 15 years. From the last 15 years. अब ये योगर उसे कह रहा है कि मैं आपको जॉब दिलाऊंगा अपने मास्टर के यहाँ. बिकॉज ये योगर डेलिश, he has what? He has an oily tongue. He has an oily tongue. He has an oily tongue. ये क्या था? ये चापलूस था. कौन था चापलूस? कौन था चापलूस? This योगर डैनलिक. योगर डैनलिक उसको क्या थी? ये योगर डैनलिक, इसकी ऑयली टंग थी, ये फ्लैटर था. एंड देन इज, ये अपने मास्टर, ही वाज इन गुड टर्म्स एज फार इज मास्टर इज कंसर्न. ये अच्छा मास्टर की दिल में या उसके आगे ये बहुत अच्छा था, क्योंकि ही हैज आल्सो बीन कॉल्ड ए यस मैन. यस मैन. रिमेंबर, वन हु इज अ यस मैन, जो यस मैन होता है, ही इज ऑलवेज क्लोज टू हिज बॉस. जो बॉस को क्रिटिसिज्म करेगा ना, ही इज नॉट क्लोज टू द बॉस. इफ यू वांट टू बी क्लोज टू योर बॉस, एंड यू शुड ऑलवेज बी व्हाट? यस मैन. लेकिन याद रख लेना, यस मैन आपके लिए या मेरे लिए ठीक नहीं है. हाँ, wherever a head of an institution is doing the good, you have to appreciate, you have to encourage. If sometime he is doing against the institution, you have to criticize him and you have to ask him that this is not good for the institution or for my life. Then is yes. Then is it is yoga reality. ये क्या था? ये यस मैन था. ये हर हमेशा किसका सपोर्ट कर रहा था? मास्टर का. एंड मास्टर के सामने भी ये क्या था? ये अच्छा ही था. इसने दिस वेरी योगर डैनलिक, इसे क्या कहा? योगर डैनलिक ने अपने उस फ्रेंड, हु वाज हिज फ्रेंड? हाँ, मैं आपको जॉब दिलाऊंगा. एंड ये कह रहा है उसको, कल आ जाना, आपकी जॉब पक्की होगी. फाइनली दिस वेरी योगर डैनलिक, ही वेंट टू हिज मास्टर. He went to his master. In order to get the job of his friend, इसको इन दोनों को यहां से निकालना है ताकि जगह खाली हो जाए. किसके लिए? उसके दोस्त के. Finally, Yoga Daily went to his master and master से उसने, he was talking about किनके बारे? Polycarpus. क्या कह रहा था? They are old enough. They are not worth now because they have reached to it is climax age and it is a big burden for you. It is best they have spent the time here. It is best that you should fire them, you should expel them because now they are old enough. They cannot carry all the odd tasks, all the odd jobs. इनको यहाँ से निकाल लो, ये आप क्योंकि ये बूढ़े हो चुके हैं, ये आप काम नहीं. लेकिन शरो ने उससे कहा, how I can fire them, how I can expel them, because they have spent 15 precious years of their life. उन्होंने जवानी के 15 years यहाँ पे गुजारे हैं. And this servant, I have never received any complaint from these very two old couple. मैंने जिंदगी में कभी इनके खिलाफ कोई कंप्लेंट आई नहीं है. And they have served me in best possible. And now it is you who are going to ask me that you have to fire them. And in old age, where they can go? ये कहाँ जाएंगे? I cannot fire. ये उसे मैंने अब पहले ही कहा है, he has an oily tongue. In one or the other means, he motivates his master, and master gets ready that I am going to what? I am going to fire them. I am going to expel them. I am going to discharge this Polycarpus along with his wife from all the duties. And Sharo इसे कह रहा है, योगर, क्या आपका जो वो फ्रेंड है, can he do any sort of the work? ये कह रहा है, he can do any meanest work. Means वो मामूली से मामूली भी काम कर सकता है. And he has fresh legs, he is young, he is energetic. Whatever you are going to assign him, he is going to carry it with a good heart. वो अच्छी तरह से करेगा. And finally, one or the other way, Sharo gets motivated and he gets ready that Polycarpus, मुझे इनको क्या करना है? निकालना, फायर करना है, निकालना. अब क्या कर रहा था? This Polycarpus, he was eavesdropping all this over here. Eavesdrop means सुन लेना, किसी की तरफ कान देना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम हियर, यहाँ पर दरवाजे पे कोई होगा, वो कान देगा, मंजूर व्हाट मंजूर सर इज टीचिंग. इट मीन्स वो सुन रहा है, बट आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दैट. सेम इज द केस, पॉलीकार्पस सुन रहा था एवरीथिंग. अब सुबह आया, कौन आया? जुरासिम आया. किसके पास? योगर के पास. एंड योगर ने जुरासिम को लिया किसके पास? दे together took him to the Mr. Sharo. And जब Sharo वहाँ, and Sharo ने उसको ओन किया, ऑन बोर्ड लिया, एंड उससे नौकरी मिली. किसको नौकरी मिली? एंड इनको क्या करना है? इस जिरासिम को वही कमरा दे दिया गया है where these very old people they are living. जब ये वहां से निकल रहा था, tomorrow इसको क्या करना है? From tomorrow onwards he has to join. Who has to join? Jurasim has to join, and he is very much thankful of the yoga reality, but he didn't know the reality. He didn't know who has been expelled. Jurasim को मालूम था this very post was already vacant. No one has been fired. No one has been expelled in place of me. यानी कि यहाँ पे ये जगह खाली थी, and because of me किसी की रोजी, किसी की नौकरी छीनी नहीं गई. ये जब and he shows his gratitude towards Yogar as well as Mr. Sharo, and he assured them, I will do every sort of the thing, every sort of the task, every sort of the stuff what you are going to assign me. And ये जब वहां से आ रहा है, ये निकल रहा था, and जहां पे ये these very Polycarpus along with while in the room while they were living, जहां जिस कमरे में ये रहते थे, कौन कौन? Polycarpus. ये रास्ता उसी जगह से जाता था. रास्ता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक दिस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यहां से ये इनका कमरा है, इसको जाना था यहां से, एंड ये कह रहा था मैं देखूंगा मेरा कमरा कैसा है. ये जब वहां पे गया, अंदर ये दोनों पॉलीकार्पस अलॉन्ग विद हिज वाइफ, ये क्या कर रहे थे? दे वर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर एंड दे वर वीपिंग फ्रॉम द कोर ऑफ द हार्ट. दे वर सॉबिंग मीन्स हिचकियां ऐसे, एंड ये रो रहे थे. एंड ये जुरासिम ओवर हियर कर रहा था इनकी बातें. इसकी वाइफ क्या कर रही थी? वो रो रही थी. एंड जो बूढ़ा था, जिसका जो हस्बैंड था, वो भी रो रहा था. ये कह रहा, कल से हमें इस जगह को खाली करना है, हमें इस जगह को क्विट करना है. वी हैव टू लीव. एंड यह जो हस्बैंड था, हस्बैंड उसे कह रहा था कि हमारा जो मास्टर है शैरो जो है, he is good, he is a good human being. He would have never expelled us or fired us. It is only because of the yoga reality. He is a selfish and he is always trying to grind his own ends. वो हर हमेशा अपना मतलब, अपना फायदा ढूंढ रहा है. एंड उसने हमारी जगह अपने दोस्त को रखा. वाइफ उससे कह रही है, अब हम इस ओल्ड ये मास्टर कितने नाशुक्रगुजार होते हैं. वी हैव स्पेंड 15 प्रीशियस years of our life in this very to serve टू सर्व आवर मास्टर, लेकिन आज हम ओल्ड हो गए, इसने हमें यहाँ से निकाला। एंड वाइफ दोबारा, हस्बैंड दोबारा उससे कह रहा ये मास्टर की गलती नहीं है, ये शरव की गलती है। अब वाइफ उसे वापस कह रहे हैं इन रिटर्न, दे आर टॉकिंग विद ईच अदर, मैं अपने मास्टर को कहूंगा कि दिस योगर ही इज अ थीफ, ये चोर है, ये चोर है। इसने क्या, इसने सिट्रा भेजा था, इसने गाज भेजा था विदाउट लेटिंग नो टू द मिस्टर शरो, इसने बहुत सी चोरी किया। एंड आई एम गोइंग टू स्पिल द बीन्स, आई एम गोइंग टू स्पिल द बीन्स मीन्स आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्क्लोज एवरीथिंग, मैं सब कुछ बताऊंगी किसको, मास्टर को। ये कह रहा है, इसका हस्बैंड कह रहा वो गलत आदमी है, हमें गलत नहीं बनना चाहिए, एंड हमें वो नहीं कर। ये कौन सुन रहा था, Gerasim. He was eavesdropping everything, the conversation that was going on between the husband and the wife. ये वही से वापस आया एंड वापस गया किसके पास, योगर के पास। आई एम थैंकफुल ऑफ यू बट आई कैन नॉट टेक द जॉब, आई एम वेरी मच थैंकफुल ऑफ यू एज वेल एज द मास्टर बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक दिस। ये वही से जा रहा है एंड वापस जा रहा है। इट मीन्स ये उतना अनग्रेटफुल नहीं था, मीन्स ही हैज शोन हिज ह्यूमैनिटी। इफ यू वांट टू फिक्स समवेयर यूर्स, ये याद रख लेना कि कहीं से दूसरे का एहसाल नहीं हो रहा, किसी को दूसरे की एक्सप्लॉयटेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए। दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट द सर्वेंट। ओके, थैंक्स।